Is there room for both of us out here? No, just me, Gizmo. You're too young. Well, I need to go in a branch too, Sonny. I'm gonna hang out with you, Sonny, okay? Alright, Gizmo, but you be careful. I'm gonna go up this tree over the nest, Sonny. That's a great idea, Giz. So if I fall, I just go right in the nest. It's a long way down from up here. Yeah, we're like over 144 feet up in the air. So we're gonna be flying soon, Giz. I know, Sonny. We're gonna be flying like Mom and Dad. Oh, we're gonna be bald eagles like Mom and Dad. Yeah, I guess I'm Batman. You are, Sonny. Oh, hey, watch out. Sonny almost could knock me down. Oh, sorry, Giz. I'm hungry. Me too. Takes a lot of stamina holding onto this branch. Oh, yay! Breakfast, I got it. Thank you very much, Dad. Oh, this is so cool up on this branch.